Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell.
Alright guys, we've got something exciting today. We managed to get early access to 4 Honor 500 units, 2 of the standard Honor 500 and 2 Honor 500 Pro models. So let's jump right in and check them out. The packaging sticks with the familiar clean white design from the previous generation. For colors, the standard model comes in Moonlight Silver and this beautiful blue shade called Hainan Treasure. The Pro version includes a black option named Key Black and another silver variant that also leans slightly toward that Moonlight Silver tone. Let's go through them one by one, starting with the standard model. A quick shout out to my tech partner from China for sharing this video. A big thank you for making this possible. Hey everyone, it's Maiky from techmaiky. If you love staying updated with the latest gadgets, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our exciting tech content. First up, the Hainan Treasure version. Here we go. Nice. Take a look at this camera design. It uses a cold-carved unibody technique, which gives it a unique texture. What do you think of this color combo? The camera ring has a darker blue tint, while the back panel is a softer, lighter blue. Now let's unbox the silver standard model. Wow, this one looks really clean. You can see a sensor up here, the flash right below it, and then the main camera along with the ultra-wide lens. Time to move on to the Pro version. You've probably already seen leaks online, so the design won't come as too much of a surprise. Nice, a sleek black finish. This one carries a triple camera setup and there's another sensor above. Over here is what might be a telephoto lens. Looks pretty promising. The black model is fully blacked out, lenses included, and the silver version stays consistently silver all around. Let's check how they look with the case on. Once the case is fitted, both the standard and Pro seem to share the exact same dimensions. Actually, let me try slipping the standard version into the Pro's case. Yep, fits perfectly. So the bodies are identical. It's mainly the camera layout that changes, with the Pro getting that extra telephoto lens. Now, let's bring in last year's Honor 400 for comparison. On the left is the older 400, and on the right is the new 500. You can see the camera layout has gone through a big redesign. Even the Honor logo has shifted from a horizontal orientation to a vertical one. The standard Honor 500 now includes an AI button too, just like the Pro, similar to what we saw earlier on the Magic 8 series. Alright, powering them on now. The blue version has moved away from the previous generation's flowing light finish and now has a clean matte look with no glossy streaks. This is the old finish, and here's the newer, simpler design. Once it boots up, you can instantly notice the bezels. They're a big improvement, much slimmer compared to the Honor 400, much cleaner visually, and the camera module now sits a little higher, so when you hold the phone like this, your fingers don't bump into the lenses. Feels more comfortable to grip. This is just a first look and early unboxing for you guys. I'll be posting a full detailed review very soon, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribed.